The fresh fruit and vegetable market in the U.S. was over $160 million in 2022 and is expected to grow to over $211 million by 2028. Consumers see the great health benefits of eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Hi, I'm Mike Myers, Director of Sales here at Lyco Manufacturing. We're shipping another set of 22-inch diameter mini-snippers, which makes it a total of 120 units running in the fresh green bean industry. Here at Lyco, we are exceeding expectations by adapting to meet the needs of our customers. Casters come standard, so machines can simply be moved as needed. Lyco mini-snippers are easily installed with a simple plug and an on-off switch installed on the machine. To help reduce bruising, we use rubber protectors on the baffles. Our units offer a pristine cut with 95 to 98% snipping efficiency if fed evenly. The doors are designed for easy access for cleaning, Lyco mini snippers are built with precision for low maintenance and have easy access grease points for the trunnions and thrust wheels. So if you have any green bean processing needs or are in need of replacement parts, please call our office at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.